Hi, good morning, my dear friend. Today I will like to make one more video. In this video, I like to explain how to make a database by using of Microsoft Excel. For that purpose, I already made two Excel sheet in this folder. This Excel sheet file name is called one file is database and other Excel sheet is template. For the tutorial purpose, I am using a small database with the 456 item entry, and this template is designed for to make some sheet. Maybe for this type of any type of template we can make according to our use. This is for usage for a quotation sheet. In this sheet we are taking the price of the different material, then this material description, price and the dimension of the material we are taking from the database by giving the part number. For example, if I know the part number of the material, that part numbers we can take it from catalog. From by referring the catalog of the material, we can fix one part number, and that part number if we put, then automatically the description and this price and the dimension will be take it from the database and put it here. So we can reduce the time to type the description here, price here, exact price and dimension and all other detail. This is just for the example I am saying about this same descriptions. But if you want to make another application like employee ID and detail of the employee ID, you can make according to your template. You can make it for patient by giving patient ID, we can get the lot of the information and treatment detail of the patient. Accordingly, we can design this template and as well as database. I will show you the database. Database is the simple Excel file like this. Here part number, description, price and dimension I mentioned. Any number of details we can write it here in this database, and any number of entry also we can enter in this Excel sheet. This is a normal Excel sheet. Only we are giving this particular part number, identical part number in this row and all the detail according to the part number. This is a simple Excel sheet like this we can make it. And this that template is the template. In this template we already design how we want the output. We can design different template and we can take any value by giving the part number of the database. So for example, I will in the database I enter uh, 5 6 items with the part number. See, this is the different part number. So we know the part number, then we can directly put it in this template like TM2 with one of the part number. As soon as we enter, automatically this description is coming here and price is coming here and dimension of the material is coming here. This is just for the example. According to your usage, we can make a lot of the information and take it in from the database. And this database is also we can keep it in one network computer, and a number of people can use the same database. One person can maintain the database with the description, part number, or everything, and all other people in the network computers they can access that database and they can just enter the maybe in the patient ID or mobile number in this column, and all other columns automatically filled with the details given in the data sheet. So I will enter two more items and show you, and after that I will explain how it will be make it. So this is TM2 automatically come the online on delay timer. Other one I will make RAMU RAMU. This is one other part number I put it here. This is the wrong part number. I will check the database. RMTG20. I will. We can directly if we give the access to the other people for the database, they can but the only readable permission. They can copy this um, part number and paste it here also it will come. phase failure relay, phase failure relay, and other part number we can copy from database. CRN44. I can type it also CRN44. CRN44 sheet enclosure 400 height, 400 width, 300 price is 300, and like this. Like this, you can enter any part number or correct the part number automatically. It will be come here. So I think you understand this one. You can make any big size of the database and complicated template. After making you will get all the price, and maybe if you are making quotation or something, you can make it the price. You can take it the total after the summing function. But I am not going to all that explanation. I just showing a small video regarding this database operations. So this is the working method of this one, and I will show you how we can make a data sheet. So once our database is this database is ready with all the material or all the patient details and everything, somebody can maintaining, and other people can use it daily basis also. They can update this database and just save new entry. This is the database with the normal Excel sheet. Open one Excel sheet and put it, enter all the items and save the file and give the file name. So the template is also, this is the normal Excel sheet. Everybody can make it like this. And template, you make all the column as per our requirement. Then what suppose I will show you, I will delete all these things, template, then make a new Excel sheet and give some file name and save it. Then after that, what we have to do in this description column, actually we need the description. We have to get it from the database automatically. So we will select this column and we'll go for the this one. This is actually Microsoft Excel 2007. In other also you can go like this is in the formula function. In the formula function we can get one other function like lookup and reference. In this lookup and reference we can go for the VLOOKUP. In this VLOOKUP, when we look up function we will get this type of dialog box. In this dialog box, in the first column, lookup value, if we press in this right side, it will get one more argument box. We can directly write the argument here, otherwise we can select the column in this page, same page, template page. So actually for filling this description value, this is look for the part number value. So we have to select this column. So then enter, and that means as soon as the part number is entered in this value, that is the lookup value. Which value we have to look up to fill the description, that is the meaning of this one, lookup value. And the table array is nothing but we have to same way we have to click here, dialog box will come. Then actually we have to open the database Excel sheet, that database Excel sheet, and in the database you have to select all the data until where we write the data, or you can select a lot of the rows and columns according to your requirement and press enter. Then other thing we have to notice that in the database the second column description is the second column is the description. So we have to write the number 2 here. So the is the description which is writing in the row number 2 of the database will be right in this description column of the template sheet. That is it. It is finished. Click here. Automatically then it will show the value NA. There is no part number is available here. That is the reason it is showing not applicable here. Once you put the part number like PG 20, enter, it will automatically come the on delay timer description is come here. The same way for the price also we have to select the price column and go for the formula and lookup and reference value. We look up in the same way we can select the this part number the first column because we are making in the first row. So we have to first row first column we will select it and press enter, and for the table array select this one and go for the database, and again we have to select all the um, database rows and column. Then in the now we need the third row value in this template for the price. Then we press enter. So the price is also come here. For the same way for the dimension, you can repeat the same procedure in the formula. In the lookup and reference, we lookup function we will take it, and same way we will select the same button column enter, and for the table array we will go for the database, and where is the database? It's in the app, and select all the database rows and column, press enter, and the column indices here is now for fourth column. The value of fourth column in the database is using the using here for the dimension. That's the reason we put the row. Okay, it is coming here. Now you can pull down, select the description and pull down until where you record, and here price also same way pull down, and this one. And now no need to do this procedure every time, or now you keep this sheet as a template, and whenever you make a new sheet, that sheet you have to save it in the different file name, so that every time you can open this one and use for the number of quotations or number of requirements. Other part number we will write it here, and copy also from the database the part numbers. CRN like this template is coming here. Shares, sheets, still enclosure, this one, price and dimension, everything is coming. I think you got the logic about, or all the logic of this one. You can make any complicated sheet, big sheet or something. Automatically all the description and price, the dimension, everything will become. If it is the detail will be more, all the detail will be automatically come. No need to type all these words repeatedly all the people. Maybe in some common computer in the network you can keep the database and this template, and give the copy of the template to the all other network computer. They can then automatically use this method for making the quotation, patient details, anything as per your office requirement. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please share to your friends and colleagues also. Thank you for the watching. Thank you very much.